Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I am showing a birthday card made with birthday layered stamping. I guess I'm going to call it birthday builder cake stamping. And so I pre-stamped birthday sentiments and candles. And this is a Snarky sentiments that I'm using to make it fun. It says, let me guess, 29, like 29 again. So anyway, we all know people that would enjoy a card like this. So Unity has made some candles to go and Snarky sentiments to go with this cake builder stamp set that I'm going to show today. And so I'm using these, I'm going to add some Copic coloring to the candles, and the other things are going to be done using stamping with ink. So for the stamping, I have layered cake builder stamp set. I have Snarky birthday greetings stamps and trick or treat 6x6 paper pack that I'm using, and those are all by Unity Stamp Company. I also use a die cutting machine and a paper trimmer for most of this. The paper trimmer works fine. You don't need a die cutting machine for this particular card. It's all just trimmed to fit the card base. And so now once you stamp the candles and that bottom sentiment somewhat close together so that you can use these stamp strips here to add ink to build the cake. And so now what I did was I used a different color for each layer. I have a lime green, and then I go to a more of a yellow color, and then I go back and repeat those colors. But I use the different strips that come in the kit, and it's great because you can alternate and make it different colors. You can make an ombre look. Lots of different options are available in the samples on the website, so you can just see there's so many different ways you can use it. This stamp set is great for more than just a cake. You can use these strips to make a pattern of all kinds on your card, and you can also make them diagonal, vertical, horizontal, however you like, and just create different designs with it. But I'm going to use it the way it was intended to begin with, is just to make a layered cake. Now, I use the decoration, one of the decoration stamps that comes in it. So this comes with lots of little embellishments for the cake. I'm just using more of a squiggly line to decorate just one part of the cake there. This also comes with a cake stand. I didn't use it because I'm using a big sentiment at the bottom. I pre-die cut the word again using some small letter dies that I have. And then I adhered a black panel behind it so you could see the letters. And just go ahead and trim it to fit the bottom and start layering all the papers onto the card base there. So this paper pack is called Trick or Treat, but it's good for all year round. I like the bright colors, so I'm using it now. And I just had a black polka dot, black and white polka dot background I'm using. Then I trimmed that front panel to give me some sort of a frame so I could see the background a little bit. And so I like the way that looks. And then to top it off, I have a pre-die cut word again that I die cut and got it ready to go right on the bottom part of the card to finish up. There you go. It's an easy birthday card, and it's colorful, and I think it will bring some smiles. So thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share if you will, and have a wonderful day.